U.S. Congressman Carlos A. Jimenez has strongly criticized comments made by Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness on Cuba, warning that Jamaica could face consequences. He issued a sharply worded response in a statement on X following Prime Minister Holness's address at the CARICOM summit underway in St. Kitts and Nevis. Mr. Jimenez suggested that Dr. Holness was covering up for what he called a, quote, moribund dictatorship, unquote, in Cuba. He also alleged that the Cuban government had previously interfered in Jamaica's politics to undermine the Jamaica Labour Party and warned that Jamaica would face consequences. Prime Minister Holness, speaking at the CARICOM meeting on Tuesday, called for frank discussion about the situation in Cuba, noting that Jamaica and Cuba share deep historical ties and that Cuban doctors and teachers have supported countries across the region, including Jamaica.